y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I wanted to do an unboxing. As you can see from my title, y'all know I get Stitch Fix, but I canceled it from being monthly. And then I thought, but I really do enjoy their clothes. Matter of fact, a lot of the things I wear are from Stitch Fix because there's just been a wardrobe change in my life, and it works. So that being said, I got my box because I changed it to quarterly. So here's the box. Let's just get this box. And you get a little box like this. Has a little green ball on it. And the good thing about Stitch Fix, because y'all remember I also tried Daily Look. Daily Look, you get like 8 pieces. Stitch Fix, you get 5. Of course, Stitch Fix, you also have Freestyle, where you can look at other things and add to your order, or even have a separate order. That's not the case with Daily Look. And Daily Look only lets you make an adjustment, like if you don't like something on your order. Both of them allow you to look at it in advance. But Daily Look only allowed me to make 3 changes, like to remove 3 things. And there was like 5 things I didn't want. They were all like sleeveless. I don't want sleeveless. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll use sleeveless with some jackets. But so anyway, so I canceled them, and I'm not interested. But I do still like Stitch Fix, and I already know what's in here because of my preview. But what they do is they give you a return envelope, a plasticky, so it's very easy to put things in. And it comes to you like this. Hold on. So you can see exactly what's in it. And so you have the ability to return things right here. You have what's in the package, and you get a free box. Just kidding. No, I do use boxes to return other things, so it's nice to have the free box. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing in the side, this is something I just said I liked. Did it fall out or something? Because there's nothing in this little box. I wonder if it fell out. It's jewelry. That's really weird. I bet it did, because I actually brought this upstairs and dropped it, so I bet maybe it gave it a little shake. Okay, also what I really love is if you order any shoes, they come in these Stitch Fix bags, which is so good because they're zippered. You can reuse these, and I put these in my suitcase for the next time I travel, so I can put my shoes in there. And I just don't like putting my shoes in with my clothing. Because, you know, the bottom of your shoes is dirty. I don't care if you even wipe them off. Y'all, somewhere I've lost what this was earrings. Okay, I'm going to put the box down because the box is empty. Huh. I wonder if it's going to just fall out somewhere. They did. They fell in the clothes. Well, here's the earrings. Ooh, I really like them. Okay, so this is, let me put it up close so you can see them good. Let me pull back so it'll focus. Focus, focus. It's just gold. This is, I always say cosmetic jewelry, but it's fashion jewelry. So the gold is not solid gold, but it's a nice, pretty gold. And this is, I believe, abalone. And I like the geometric shapes, and I don't have earrings on. So I'm going to go ahead and try these on, even though I'm very casual today because I'm working from home and I don't have any appointments. So I thought, well, I'm just going to put on my little, this is one of those little baseball shirts. But let me just try them. I can tell you right now, I like them. And this, you know, abalone's sort of like, you know, it'll go with anything. Yeah, I like that a lot. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I like them. Yeah, I really like them. Okay, I'm going to put this other one on, just make sure nothing's broken, nothing comes apart. Like I said, these are not top of the line real jewelry. It's just fashion jewelry. But I have fine jewelry, but I like having fashion jewelry because you know what? It's more trendy. Now the good thing about fine jewelry is it's classic, so it'll go with anything all the time. It never goes out of style. But I also like having just some style. What do y'all think? I like these a lot. I like them a whole lot. I'm going to keep them. Okay. Then here it says instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. So you get it like this, and there's the clothes. The first thing that I got, and I think I'll probably keep this because Stitch Fix has really gotten down my size right and my style, because I like a loose style. but it needs to look somewhat professional, not just stylish, not professional, but just like casual, business casual. So that it doesn't look like I'm going on a date. But you could wear this on a date. But so there's just kind of a loose fitting. It's a V-neck, which I think is more flattering than a round neck. I have a lot of round necks. Sometimes they're gathered sleeves. This is just a plain open sleeve, but and it's a nice jersey-like material. So, and it's just black and creamy white. And that will just go with anything from jeans to a skirt to a suit. You know, like I said, I'm not really wearing suits. That'll be a keeper because I know that they've got my size down right. That's the one thing I really love about them is they've got the size right. Occasionally I think when I've ordered a dress it was just too big and too boxy. Okay, and this will be interesting because this is made of, it's a puff sleeve by Vince Camuto. So these are all like nice high-end brands, and so they're not cheap. They're not 50, I mean they're not like $25 or $30. They're more on up there. I wonder if this will be a little too big because of the style. Because I normally ask for not just XL, but double XL, just because up top it's a little bigger, and then also my belly. But that's because if it's a straight fit. This is a little more loose, but I love the material, y'all. It's got like a little black flowers, like a 12 flower look, and then it's got the little gold that I love. It's got the little gold shimmers, so I think I'm gonna love this. But again, it's creamy. It's cream colored with black, and it's got these little gold shimmers. I am gonna have to try this one on to see if it's just like swallows me. But even if it did, again, this would be great under like a jeans jacket. This, I mean, it could be fine by itself, because one thing I don't like is when I get sleeveless, because I've got batwing. You know, the hang down when you get older, this, and also when you're overweight, which I am. So, you know, I'm working on it, trying to get that weight off. But it's it's meant to be a balloon sleeve. So the only thing about that is, the good thing is it'll be, you know, to the elbow. So it's covering where I want it covered. The bad thing is in a jacket that might be too full, or it may be just too big. Because this could be actually an XL and it would fit me. I just wonder, is it worth it trying to get it in another size? But I really like it. I might just keep it. Alright, and then, so there was 4 things. The earrings, 2 shirts, and these jeans. Who's these jeans by? Oh, STS Blue. They got my size. I don't know. I'm a 16W. I don't have any problems saying that. And this is a 16, so it may just be the cut. But they're a nice looking jean. They're probably not cheap jeans. I don't see the price tag, but it'll be on the paperwork. So, that's what they look like. And then, you know, they've got kind of the worn look, like on the pocket. It's got a little bit of wear there, and it's got it there. But the thing that I also question is, first of all, the fit, because it's not the W, so I'll have to check and just try them on. But so far, they've been just right on. But it also is the folded look, which I don't typically go for. But one thing I noticed is you can unfold them just fine. In other words, it's got a finished edge if I don't want to have them folded. But they're pressed in a way that they're folded, which gives them just a little more casual, but kind of a little bit of a different look. Okay, and then last but not least is the shoes. I don't remember what I asked for. Oh, I didn't. Okay, so this is just, that's very pretty. Okay, so it's a summer wedge. Oh, and it's a Velcro. And when you get older, it's just easier, y'all. It's a Velcro ankle, which it does look prettier, a little sexier for my husband. See me in a little bit more of a heel and an ankle strap's just a little bit prettier. This is definitely summer only. I wouldn't even say this is spring. And the reason is because they got these little shells. So that'd be great for vacation. And it's got some detailing, which I like, which is this is braided. And then it's got a little gold shiny. And it's got, I'd say 1 millimeter of an inch of plastic, which means while this is stiffer, actually the footbed's a little bit cushioned. It's also, got some shock absorption. So let me just show you the toe up front. Let me block the side so that it will focus, focus, focus. So the little shells and beadwork is very, very pretty. And that could be like for a dress or with jeans and a top for date night or church. So do like it. I'm going to have to see the last, whenever you have a last, and by the way, I am having to return the M. Jimmies, which y'all saw, and I loved them, but when that hits the ground, there's just no give. And so if it doesn't have, you know, somewhere, and that's the only thing about having that. But like I said, I actually like this detailing here with the way it's braided and the beadwork. The way it is very, very pretty. Not just the seashells, but just this other beads. That's very pretty. So I don't know. I'll try it on and see. But anyway, I almost always keep everything. But if I don't want to, I don't have to. You just put it, all you have to do is shove it in that little bag, seal it. It's already pre-addressed and everything. You just take it up to UPS and drop it off. Which I have a UPS right around the corner that is a drop off. Let's see. It also gives you these to kind of show you what was ordered and how to style it, which that's nice. I like that. Because it's not that I don't know how to style clothes, but it reminds me that I do. It reminds me of, hey, you could put this, this, and this together. Because my closet's too full. I need to thin it back out, y'all. I need to thin it back out when I get something. Now, it also gives you your order with the price list, so you can just decide, was that worth it? The shoes were $130. I think not. I think I will return them. But everything else is pretty reasonable. So, anyway, I just thought y'all might be interested in seeing. And comment below. Do y'all have any subscriptions that you get? And what are they? And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!